Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, some other stuff. Okay, make sure to smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. First of all, Bitcoin is now testing this trend line. Tested this trend line. You can see it done it 5 times in the last couple of months. It's actually the 5th time now. You can see here, testing. Every time you come in, you get a big bounce, big bounce, and another bounce. Now the last bounce was, you can see we made a lower high. Okay, that was the concern. Okay, now obviously we're making lower highs for the last couple of months, but in August we made a significant lower high. Okay, that was a significant lower high, much more than the previous ones. Okay, now we're looking for a bounce on Bitcoin from these levels again. Obviously, you know, markets respect support and resistance. Once it goes to a critical support, you're gonna get a bounce. Usually you're gonna get a bounce. Now the way the bounce gonna be will tell you a lot of what is coming. Okay, if you're gonna get a big bounce, obviously that's bullish. If you break back above the 64, it's bullish as F, and reclaiming the moving average, it's bullish as F. Okay, now we're not expecting that. We're expecting a rejection or from this trend line, or from the top here, or from the moving average, or the 60k level. Maybe if it can pull it, okay, if it can pull it, maybe it will just be a phony, you know, fake fluffy bounce, and then it's just gonna slide, fizzle, and then collapse. Okay, you can have multiple scenarios, but we're looking for a kind of a bounce at the moment for Bitcoin, and obviously altcoins are bouncing with it, but it's all up to the bounce, how it will look like, if we're gonna flip bullish on the biased, or we're just gonna keep bearish, because at the moment we're bearish. We're expecting more downside in the big picture. Mid to long term, we're bearish now, as long as Bitcoin is below the moving averages. Okay, nothing has changed for us, man. You're below the 200-day, you're below the 50-day, you're below the 100-day. This is bearish. If you move back above it, bullish. Okay, that's what we're looking for now. Now this week we're going to be very critical, and next week is going to be the most important Bitcoin week for probably crypto and Bitcoin probably ever. We have the FOMC meeting next week. Watch it. Okay, the rate cuts. Watch how the market reacts to the rate cuts. Also, obviously, watch the S&P. S&P is now bouncing today, so that's why Bitcoin bounced. And if the S&P is in the red, Bitcoin is gonna be in the red. Okay. Now S&P might do a big bounce now. It's a very important chart. Okay, or it's gonna get rejected from the 50 and come back down, or maybe do a double top and come back down. Okay. Again, watch the S&P moving into next week. Very important time. Very interesting time. At the moment, we are in kind of no man's land now for, you know, bulls and bears. But soon, you're gonna get a trending move here. Okay, I'll show you the chart. Yeah, a trending move. Take a clean one. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for a trending move. Once it's gonna lose this level, in my opinion, it is done, man. It is bear market. Once Bitcoin close couple of candles below 53k, daily candles, start closing candles below 53k and stays there, and flip it as resistance, in my opinion, in my humble opinion, bear market confirmation. That's my opinion. I might be completely wrong. This is not a financial advice. Smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Another chart you want to look at is the DXY. The DXY is now having a bounce. Let's see what it's going to do in the next couple of weeks into the FOMC, into September. If the DXY will be strong, let's see if we're gonna get a negative correlation with Bitcoin, if Bitcoin will pull back, and then altcoins will get wrecked. Okay, that's what we're watching. Make sure to smash the like, leave a comment. See you in the next video. Cheers.